Anti-Cancer Journey here. I just wanted to make this video to let you know what to expect when you get a home COVID test kit. So let's get into it. So here's what your package is going to look like. Comes in the post in that. This is the actual box. So you get a little thing with fluid in it, a really long cotton bud thing, a pad, so I don't know what that's for, sticker to stick on it, and a sealy bag and another sealy bag thing to put those in. Put those over there. And then your book, which I'm not going to show you, but on this side you'll write your name, and then there's a little barcode bit underneath here there that has your individual number, which you want to write down and keep that, because that's for if you want to find out about the results, you'll need that number, okay? And then that's it. You've just got this box that I think you fold it. You fold this box up to put it all in as well. So we'll keep all of that. Okay, on to the test. Okay, so here's the start of my COVID test. You've got to get a clean surface. I've got some disinfectant wipes and give it all a good wipe down where you're going to be doing it. Right, there we go. Voila. Then a box of stuff. Also, make sure that you wash your hands before you do every process. Okay, right. Got to open the stick thing, and you're not allowed to touch the cotton bud end. You take it from this end like this, and you've got to push it to your tonsils without touching any of your mouth, and then swab your tonsils. But you've got to do 1, 2, 3. Okay? No, 5. Just like that. And then with the same one, you've got to whack it up your nose, which is disgusting. But when you put it up your nose, you've got to put it up about until you feel pressure, which is about 2.5 centimeters normally. But yeah, give it 5 sort of twists again. Okay, so there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, right. Then you've got to get this thing, and you're not allowed to put the cotton bud down at all. Right, so I stick that in there, and then there is a little line on the actual stick, which is a snap line. So you snap it, and you put the lid back on to the container. Right, there we go. That's that done. Okay, for this bit is putting it away, getting it ready to send off. Right, first sealy bag, get that, and the weird pad thing is to go inside the pouch. That's what we put in first. Right, put that in, then you swap. That can go in. Right, we'll fold that over, seal that one up. Then we get the actual proper big sealy bag thing, and we I don't even know how to open this. You'd think it'd be easy, and it is. There we go, right. That can go in, like so. I've folded it, just slots in, sorted. Right. Now, like a sticky bit here, I think, that you peel off, the silver sticky bit that you'll find on the inside. Peel that off and stick it up. There we go. And you'll have a barcode. You should have a barcode already stuck on it. I've got my barcodes already stuck on it. If not, I think they give you them in the packet to stick on. But then you've got your label to put on the box. Alright, I'm going to put that there a second. Okay, so let's put the box together then, everyone. Right, that's the box. Right, on the bottom, you'll see these two side bits here. You want to tuck those in. And then, if I can do it, this bit, you see, folds over and clips in like that. There we go. And that, my friends, is the box. And there you go. That's the test in the box. And there is a Sealy sticker that comes with it. And there is actually a bit that says on the front, a blue bit there. So you stick the white bit of the sticker onto there. Make sure that it's fully folded down. And then stick it onto the box. And that shows that it's not been tampered with at all. And that, my friends, is how you do your home COVID test. You're going to need your mobile phone, because they'll have sent you an email, and in that email there's a code that you need, and you can copy and paste that. And then you have to scan the little barcode that's on the front of your booklet. It basically, you go through the process of registering it. It'll explain it all in your booklet. I hope you all get on okay, and I hope that this video has been of some help to some of you who might be a bit confused or worried or just wondering what it is. I mean, fingers crossed mine comes back okay. I just showed 3 symptoms, which a lot of people can do that. So yeah, fingers crossed. Peace out, everyone. Oh yeah, remember, stay strong in here as well, yeah? God bless.